The World Cup is around the corner. One advice to the Indian team that you would want to give?
Come and take massages at IOSIS. You'll feel fantastic.
And then go and win the World Cup.
Yeah,
Absolutely.
है ना?
Instead of powdering, massages.
Cheer the Indian team.
If I have to cheer the Indian team,
You could cheer the Indian team.
I will be cheering the Indian team.
Yeah.
I will do it in my room when I'm watching the match. No, seriously, I mean, I'm a huge cricket fan, and other than the interest coming from IPL and all of that, but even generally, I just love watching India play, and I think we've got one of the best teams of all time, and I have great hopes from this time's World Cup, so go get them.
Your favorite player?
I am not telling you that.
Okay.
And Yusuf
Apart from
Pathan,
this, Vijay Mallya has today expressed his, doubts with regards to the auction, and earlier even Mumbai Indians had come out with a statement to them. What is your take on this whole thing? Do you think that it should be more transparent in terms of how the auctions are conducted?
I wouldn't really like to comment on it because firstly, it's not my area of expertise. The choices and the decisions are made by the chairman. And Manoj and I think whatever we had set out to do, we have kind of achieved. We already had a lot of problems in the beginning. So we don't want to make any comments on this front. But I definitely agree that everything has to be extremely transparent, not just in the interest of the stakeholders, but also of the fans, because cricket is huge in our country. So it's beyond business. That's that.
शिल्पा, आपने यूसुफ को मतलब उनके नेट प्रैक्टिस वगैरह पे काफी बार देखा होगा, क्या खाते हैं वो कि इतने भयंकर शॉट्स एंड ऑल?
Now you should go ask KKR this.
नहीं, भूतपूर्व थे ना वो इन राजस्थान रॉयल्स, तो
नहीं, मेरी जिंदगी में अभी भी प्रेजेंट में है वो, एंड ही विल ऑलवेज बी अ पार्ट ऑफ माय फैमिली, एंड अभी भी हाल ही में मैंने बात की उनसे. अभी आई टोटली अडोर यूसुफ, एंड इट वाज नॉट आउट ऑफ चॉइस, लेकिन हमें उनको छोड़ना पड़ा. But it was an understanding. We are very, very happy and proud that he played for us for 3 years, and he got the amount of money that he got. So for us, I think because there's a personal relationship, we're very happy for him.